Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about XRP price prediction and XRP news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for XRP in 2022. Now in a nutshell I will talk about XRP. The first step is to distinguish between XRP, Ripple, and RippleNet. XRP is a digital currency powered by the RippleNet digital payment platform, which in turn is built on top of the XRP Ledger distributed ledger database. RippleNet is a private project and is managed by Ripple. The XRP Ledger is open source and is based not on the blockchain, but on the previously mentioned distributed ledger database. The idea of the Ripple payment platform was first voiced in 2004 by Ryan Fugger, but the full development of Ripple did not begin until after Jed McCaleb and Chris Larson led the project in 2012. At that time it was still called OpenCoin. The RippleNet ledger is maintained by the global XRP community, of which Ripple is an active member. The XRP ledger processes transactions approximately every 3 to 5 seconds, or whenever independent validating nodes reach a consensus on the order and validity of XRP transactions. This is different from the proof-of-work mining process of Bitcoin, BTC. Absolutely each of you can become a Ripple validator. The XRP coin can be stored in several standard ways. The first way is when stored on the exchange, and the second way is to store XRP in a crypto wallet, involved in fraud and money laundering. The report is coming after Chinese police recently clamped down on a pyramid scheme involving Ripple's XRP tokens and over 45,000 investors. China has seen a net outflow of funds since banning crypto. Chaindex report also highlighted the effect that China's ban on crypto has been having on the country's involvement in crypto. In 2021, domestic outflow of crypto funds was far greater than inflows. Around 223 billion yuan left the shores of China, mostly headed to US crypto exchanges. Among them, 2.3 billion USDT and 830,000 BTC outflow, the report said. In banning cryptocurrencies, China often cited fraud and money laundering concerns, as well as environmental concerns as its major reasons. It continues to clamp down on the sector to smoke out defaulters. However, with such massive outflows of funds, the Chinese economy will likely feel the effect of capital flight. The next news, Ripple CEO dismisses XRP Swift uncertainty while filing response to SEC's opposition. Ripple XRP has lately been in the headlines as a result of its continuing dispute with the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. The former has just filed an opposition to the DPP ruling, arguing that the SEC is merely seeking a do-over. Meanwhile, the West has escalated its targeted sanctions against Russia, intending to prevent Russian banks from accessing the Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication, SWIFT, the communications network that underpins global financial transactions. The latest round of sanctions, announced by the United States, EU, UK, and Canada, against Russia, statement explaining Ripple's view on the future of NFTs as being more than just art. The blog post states, while early NFT use cases have primarily been centered around avatars, art and collectibles, more utility-based applications are beginning to emerge. As the technology and its use cases continue to mature, it sees real-world applications that will continue to enrich NFT experiences and afford usefulness for the community. It further elaborates, the core utility-based use cases we believe will have the most immediate impact include media and entertainment, carbon credits, and real estate, and we will take a deeper dive into each from both a technical and practical application perspective in future posts. Supporting this statement from the blog post announcement, Monica Long, the general manager of the app development of Ripple, also commented on the growing pace of the NFT market and said, NFTs have very quickly proven to have real utility within crypto, from digital experiences and rewards to artist royalties, co-ownership of real-world assets, and more. These statements show Ripple's belief in the future of NFTs. Also, they indicate that their efforts to assist creators aim at building Ripple's own innovative NFT use cases community. Overall, it seems like the Ripple team is confident that the lawsuit with the SEC is not going to result at their disadvantage, back into the $1.40 zone. Despite the wedging-like price action, XRP price can still invalidate the bullish idea. A break below $0.725 will likely mean more downside pressure into the 67-62 supply zone, up to a 15% drop. The bears should keep in mind that the overall trend is still very bullish for XRP price. Price action in the 62-cent supply zone could still result in a bullish triangle pattern to form later down the road. And second news, the San Francisco-based fintech firm has had significant success over the past couple of months. On 12 March, Analisa Torres denied the SEC's motion to strike Ripple from using a fair notice defense. The SEC alleged that the payments company unlawfully sold XRP as an unregistered security, a position the regulator maintained to this day. Now, Brad Garlinghouse celebrated this win while speaking in an interview on Bloomberg. Call for a celebration. The recent court decision to not strike Ripple's fair notice defense was a victory for the entire crypto industry. Garlinghouse asserted, I think it is a victory not just for Ripple the company, but also the whole crypto industry. The SEC, I think, has consisted not the first opposition filed by the firm. The defense attorney stated on February 25 that the SEC wants to force the company to give over notes made by Matthew Estabrook, counsel to former SEC Commissioner Elliot Roisman. However, Phylan observes that the SEC is merely seeking a do-over. Ripple's top lawyer slammed SEC for offensive use of memos. According to the general counsel, GC, at Ripple, Stuart Alderodi, the 2012 Perkins Coie memorandum to the company's founders demonstrates the company's good faith in attempting to issue digital tokens, in the absence of clear guidelines on how existing governmental legislation would apply to cryptocurrencies. With the release of the initial filing from February 2012 and the second memo, there was a compelling argument that the planned tokens would not be subject to federal securities laws. The company was outlining how it obtained its guidance, and it had won one battle in the court of public opinion by doing so. Ripple Labs Incorporated sought assistance not just on securities regulations, but also on a wide range of banking, anti-money laundering, and tax laws, as well as other matters. Ultimately, Ripple's general counsel believes that the SEC should have looked into the Perkins Coie memos and utilized Ripple as an example of proactive compliance, rather than reacting to the situation. Ripple is still going through difficult times. Until the litigation with the SEC is completed, the coin rate will jump. Let's take a look at what leading cryptocurrency experts have to say about Ripple's value in 2022 and 2023. Today we will analyze forecasts from leading cryptocurrency experts such as Trading Beasts, Wallet Investor, Crypto Ground, Changelly. Long forecast. The forecasts from Trading Beasts analysts are as follows regarding the XRP rate for 2022 are positive. Starting the year at $1.58, the average predicted coin price will rise to $1.62 by December. A sharp increase is not expected, but a steady uptrend is always a positive factor for investors. The next forecast from Wallet Investor regarding the price of Ripple is also encouraging. Experts predict that the price of the coin will be above $1.70 for most of the year. By the end of the year, the XRP rate will cross the $2 mark. The maximum price will not exceed $2.50. At the same time, Crypto Ground analysts expect Ripple to rise. Experts predict a bullish trend for 2022. However, there will also be a significant decline. By June, the price will be around $1.28. By the end of 2022, Ripple will reach $1.85. According to the Changelly platform, the Ripple price has strengthened thanks to the support of several large investors, and a number of partnership agreements and various events with crypto companies indicate that many believe in XRP. Recent XRP price predictions and price dynamics could improve significantly towards the end of the year, unlike other major coins such as BTC and ETH. Ripple may even break its previous record of $3.84. Well, the last forecast from Long Forecast, they provided the so-called bullish forecast for Ripple for 2022. Price volatility will be high. The price of the coin will change in the range of $1.53–1.87. Moving on, you can see that although the price of XRP will not reach new highs, the cryptocurrency will not disappear. What awaits Ripple in 2023? In 2023, Trading Beasts analysts expect the price of XRP to decline. Over the course of the year, the average XRP United States dollar exchange rate will drop from $1.62 to $1.58. The maximum price will be slightly above the $2 mark until October. The minimum exchange rate will not fall below $1.34.